Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make some quick and easy hot honey garlic chicken skewers. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they'll be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by prepping our chicken. Here I already have my 2 pounds of chicken cut into 1-inch pieces. We're just going to drizzle our oil and sprinkle 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and garlic powder. Just like to mix them together and sprinkle it all over the chicken. Now just mix them and make sure that everything is nice and coated. Once we have our chicken ready, now we can prepare our skewers. I like to use metal skewers so like that, you know, that my chicken cooks nice and even. So we're just going to poke them through and just stack the pieces of chicken. Once we have it, we just repeat the process with the rest of our skewers until we no longer have any more pieces of chicken. Alright, so once we have our chicken skewers ready, we're just going to set them to the side so we can make our hot honey. Alright guys, to make our hot honey, we're going to begin by melting 3 tablespoons of butter over low heat. Allow the butter to melt. Alright, so once the butter melts, add 4 minced garlic cloves and just mix them in and allow them to cook for about 30 seconds. Once you begin to smell the garlic, now we can add our 1/2 cup of honey along with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sriracha, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of pepper flakes, and a pinch of salt. Going to mix it and bring it to a simmer. Alright, so once our sauce comes to a simmer, carefully taste it and see if you need to adjust it. If it's too spicy, you can add more honey, or if you want it more spicy, you can add more chili flakes. But for me, this is always perfect. Now we're just going to allow it to continue simmering for another minute. Alrighty, and just like that, we have our delicious hot honey. So now we're just going to set it to the side so we can cook our chicken. Alright guys, I'm going to be using my air fryer to cook my chicken. So now we're just going to transfer our chicken to the air fryer basket, place them in, and allow them to air fry at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Flip them halfway. Alright guys, and after 10 minutes, we're going to carefully brush our hot honey all over our chicken skewers. And now just place them back in and allow them to continue air frying for 2 more minutes. Alright guys, and after 2 minutes, our chicken should be completely cooked. Of course, make sure that you check them. And now here, we're just going to brush them one last time. Alright guys, and now we're just going to allow our chicken to rest for about 5 minutes, and then we can get ready to serve. Alright guys, and now we can get ready for the fun part, serving. And of course, I like to serve it with some white rice and my cucumber salad. Alright guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This right here is seriously super quick and easy to make. Of course, you can always grill them in the grill, or if you want to bake them, you can always do that as well. But let me tell you that this right here, it's seriously super delicious. And it's a little spicy, but of course you can always adjust that. If you want to add less chili, that's totally optional. But for me, this is honestly perfect. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, just perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make super easy and delicious hot honey chicken skewers. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.